This video is designed to offer a brief but thorough review, a crash course if you will, on replacing the brake pads and rotors on your vehicle. For a more detailed look, click the video link in the description. With the vehicle safely raised and secured, turn the steering wheel to expose access to the two caliper bolts. Remove the bottom bolt, pry the caliper open, and remove the brake pads. Remove the upper caliper bolt. Being careful not to kink or damage the rubber brake line, hang the caliper with a rope or bungee cord. Now remove the two caliper bracket bolts with a breaker bar. Now remove the brake rotor. It may be held in place with a screw, which must first be removed. If the rotor is rust welded, hit it around the outside edge with a large hammer. Use a wire brush to clean the rust from the hub. With a bucket below, spray it with brake clean. Remove the brake hardware and clean the caliper bracket, especially in the area where the brake hardware sits. Spray with brake clean when finished. To install the new rotors, first clean the brake surfaces with a rag and brake clean. Put some gray anti-seize on the hub, change gloves or wash hands, and install the new rotor. If held in place by a mount screw, remember to line up the holes. Otherwise, hold the rotor in place with a few lug nuts. Reinstall the caliper bracket with the mounting bolts. Use blue medium strength Loctite and tighten to 90 foot-pounds, 122 Newton meters, or as per your manufacturer recommendation. To install the caliper, first clean the piston with some brake clean and a rag and loosen the brake fluid reservoir cap. Then take the old brake pad and using a piston compressor, slowly compress the caliper piston fully. Install new brake hardware on the caliper bracket. Using copper anti-seize, lightly lubricate all surfaces where the brake pads contact. Then apply copper anti-seize to the back of the brake pads and the guide tips. Feed the brake pads in place on the brake hardware. Next, lubricate the guide pins with silicone brake lube. Remove the guide pin from the rubber boot, clean it, then apply silicone lube, avoiding the very tip. Reinsert until the boot snaps in place. Repeat on the lower pin and check that the pins move freely. Now to install the caliper. Prepare a bolt with blue Loctite. Lower the caliper in place, being mindful of the brake line, and hand tighten the top bolt. Now put in the bottom bolt using blue Loctite. Tighten to 25 foot-pounds, 34 Newton meters, or as per manufacturer recommendation. Now repeat on the other side of the vehicle. With tires back on, remove the jack, tighten the brake fluid reservoir cap, and pump the brakes until they feel stiff. And you're good to go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. If it saved you a bit of money, why not send me a little thanks through YouTube at the bottom? I'd appreciate it. That will allow me to make more videos, save you more money. Thanks for watching.